On Thursday's BBC Breakfast, hosts Charlie Stayt and Naga Munchetty were bringing viewers the latest headlines, including an amber weather warning. BBC Breakfast's Charlie Stayt was left fearing for one viewer during Thursday's show. As the programme drew to a close, Charlie and Naga Munchetty handed over to Carol Kirkwood for one last weather update. However, as the BBC star stood in front of an image that showed waves crashing onto a pier, Charlie wasn't impressed. He said, "I'm a little bit concerned, Carol, about whoever took the photograph that is behind you now. They are at risk. You should not be on a pier or whatever it is when the weather is that bad." "That's my health and safety announcement for the morning." Agreeing, Carol replied, "Absolutely. You are absolutely right, Charlie, it's so dangerous. You can be swept back out to sea by the large waves." After Carol shared the latest updates on the weather, with certain areas in the UK expected to hit over 90 miles per hour winds, Naga told her co-star to be cautious. She said, "Carol, we sit warned, do take care over the coming days." During the show, BBC viewers were informed about Storm Irvin, which is moving at a quick pace towards the UK's shores. Earlier on in the programme, Carol said, "Tomorrow we are expecting Storm Irvin to cross us. It's going to bring gales, severe gales, gusts of wind, especially with exposure at around 90 miles per hour. Even possibly a little bit more than that. As well as that, it's going to have some heavy rain and, for some transient snow." The BBC weather star explained the storm is currently moving northeastwards and is expected to ease over the course of Saturday. Storm Irvin is expected to reach the UK in the early hours of Friday, with the Met Office putting in an amber warning for areas stretching across Glasgow, Huddersfield, Holyhead, and Portrush. Meanwhile, a yellow warning has recently been put in place for the southeast, with winds of up 400 miles per hour to 50 miles per hour, possibly 60 miles per hour in exposed areas. Carol wrapped up her segment by issuing a warning to viewers to expect disruption as Storm Irvin hits. She added, "An amber weather warning, of course, means be prepared. You can find damage to roofs, you can find small trees uprooted, for example. Of course, there is likely to be disruption to travel for flights, for ferries, and bridges will have speed restrictions, all that kind of thing. So do check before you head out." The BBC star explained that the warning remains in force until 9 p.m. on Friday evening.